Hello everyone, welcome to Text Talk. My name is Anuj Kumar, a Jira Administrative Trainer. Today in this session, we will talk about the Jira Automation. So today we will cover the rules, trigger, actions, and conditions. So what will happen here? So let me introduce what is the automation in Jira. So automation in a Jira is no code, low code feature that allow the user to automatically perform the repetitive action and enforce the business rule using the triggers, conditions, and actions. So what happened in Jira? What previously we are doing the manually things. We are if like here we can see here there is a create issue, then we can come here and create any issues like there is a story select story, then here are write the summary, and here the priorities low, medium, and high. So what will happen, previous we are doing things manually. Now if the story is the high priority, and we if the story is high priority, we want to move that story to a respective project order, then we have to move to manually, okay, with the help of the simulants and anything. Now here what we will do, here we can automate this activity. If the story is in high priority, we can automatically the story is assigned to respective users or project manager. So how we will do, we will see in today's classes. So let me go to the slide. Um, so automation can be applied on the project level, global levels. Project level means in a single project, and global level means in multiple project you can apply this automation. So there will be different types of automation. So in when we are applying the automation, there are different rules, conditions, triggers, action. We will see what are these things. So structure of an automation rules are, as a automation rule is made up of the trigger. What is trigger? Trigger that start the condition. When you will create any rule, the first thing you will do is what is the thing which trigger this action means triggering. What start the rule? Okay. What is the condition? Then condition are the checkpoint check to control whether the action should be proceed or not. Okay, then we after trigger we will write the condition. Then after condition we will do the action thing. What happened? Action means what happened? Means assign the issue, send the email, update the field. Then optional fourth is optional, that is the branch rule. Act on the related issue like subtask link issue. So this thing we will see. What will happen here when we come to a Jira and we create a rule, click on the rule, then there will be different like create a rule. Okay, the first thing will be a trigger condition. So in trigger condition we will write one trigger, and then after what we will do, we will write a condition, and then after we will action and option of this thing. Now what is the rules in Jira? Rules are the automated workflow. When when the something happen, if this condition is true, then do it. And it can be complex or simple. Example, when an issue is moved to done, issue is moved to done, it can be assigned to QA. If issue is highest priority, you want to assign to project manager. So this thing we will automate the things. Earlier we are doing manually. Now here we will do automate this activity. Now what is a audit log? In this Jira, we can see here there is also a audit log was present in previous slide. Go to this audit log. Here the all the what you have done, it is basically shown here. It have a date, time, audit log, rules, script, status, duration, and operation. So here we will see the audit log. So in audit log shows the history of the automation rule, execution, success, failure, and detail logs. It help in debugging. Located in project setting automation audit log. Audit log means there will be all the details related to what you have done. Global automation audit log is present as I have shown. So each log entry shows time stamp, rule name, outcome, execution duration, and detailed message for each step. So we can see here there is a date, time, audit log, rules, scope, status, duration, and operation. So this thing we can see here. Now coming to the other thing. Now, template in Jira Automation. Templates are the predefined condition and automation rule provided by that lesson to help you to get the start quickly. So, this basically in the rules we have predefined templates also present here. We can implement those templates and make use of the predefined template where the automation is defined. Like task management template will be there as auto assign task close the parent when sub tasks are done. An agile workflow template will be there where you can move the issue to the next sprint automatically or notify the team when the sprint start or end. Then DevOps integration template will be always sync the issue with the GitHub, GitLab, or Git bucket. These are the code repository. Transition of Jira issue to the PR merge. When the backend developer are moving their code to the PR, that can be also automated. Then service management, that is JSM, auto close the state request, escalate the SLA breach. Then incident management, auto assign the major incident, notify the stakeholder or incident PSL. So with this, all this activity, basically there are predefined template. We can use that template for the automation. Now, use of this, we use the template to quickly set up the common rule, or you can customize them to meet your exact need. Now, uses and real world example, these are different types of example which we will do. So first example is auto assign the bug to QA. If the trigger condition is issue created, then condition is issue type is bug, then action assigned to a QA lead. Okay, when we are creating the rule, the first thing is trigger condition. So issue is created. Second condition we will put when the issue type is bug, high priority, done or closed. Then the action should be assigned to a QA lead. Then second example is auto close the tickets. So if the set trigger condition will be scheduled every day, condition will be status equal to waiting for the customer and last update greater than 7 days. Then action will be add comment and close the issue. Then example to notify the high priority issues. Then these are the trigger condition issue updated condition priority equal to highest. This we will see in this session only. Action equal to send email to project manager. The example four is transition issue to a PR, that is coder with generative DevOps trigger. Then condition will issue status equal to in review action with transaction done. If- In this way, we will see today. So let's move to our Jira. Uh, this is basically so let's move to the rules. Now what we will do, we will create a rule. Now first thing is what is a trigger condition. So trigger condition is I want to create issue a work item created. So I want to work item trigger, work item change, work item created, sprint start velocity, work item assigned, work item created. The first condition I have write the work item is created. Now what the second, then second, add component with new condition. Click here. We want to add condition like if we will write a new condition issue field condition most popular uh, figure issue field if add a condition like we will do now what we will do after adding a component. We can see here that is recommended work item field condition. This is the most popular one, so I will select this one. Now, after selecting this one, what we will do, what is the status? So it is a field condition. These are different types of field. Field is priority. I want priority. I want to select. Then I will select priority. Then is one off. If you select is one off, then you can select multiple issue type from it, like high. You can select multiple issue. Okay, when you choose is one off, but I want to only check if the priority is highest or not. So I will write equals and then select the highest priority and next. So one condition is over. Now new I will add it now. Next, what is the action item I will write here? So what will be the action item here? Let's we see. Then what we will do, we have to add the condition. So add component, then add then not that's no action. What we will do now, we want to assign it. So I will double S U is enter create work item, assign work item. Click on assign work item. Specific user. I want to write any specific user. So in current project we have Anuj K95, Anuj Kumar, Anuj. So Anuj K95. I search ANJ, Anuj K95 selected. Now what is the basic rule is there? If the issue is created and the priority is the highest, if the priority is the highest, then what we will do, it will assign the respective story yeah, issue type to this user, that is Anuj K95. Okay. Now I will do next. Now, now these are the basic rules. Okay. Now this is untitled rule. Then what I will do, turn the issue on. Then rule name is assigning high priority issue to the respect any user, your product manager, scrum master. AWS assign AWS in highest priority issue to scrum master. Okay, yeah, project manager or anything. Now, then here you can give the permission who you want to the private, specific admin, all admin. So all admin and turn on. So now you can see your rule has been turned on and this is assigning highest priority to Scrum Master. Okay. And this vision. So what I will go here, done, go here. Now what I will do, I will create one story and somebody is the HIGE priority issue. Then you can do this is reporter. This is the highest, and acha, this is highest priority. Create. Okay, can see. If you can see highest priority issue. It is automatically been assigned to the Anuj K95. So in this way, we have created our first rule. Okay. Now I have not assigned any issue to anyone. According to the rule, when the issue is created and priority equal to highest, then automatically it has been assigned to Anush K95. You can see automatically it is assigned to highest priority, assigned to Anush K95. So in this way, we have created our first issue. Now, this is all for this session. Meet you in the next session and we will move further into the automation. We will cover the more things in automation. Now, thank you. See you in next classes.